Hungry for magic? Discovering Harry Potter's most enchanting foods. Welcome witches, wizards, and muggles alike. Today we're diving wand first into the mouthwatering world of Harry Potter. From spellbinding sweets at Honeydukes to the grand feasts in the Great Hall. Join me as we explore the foods that bring the wizarding world to life. First up, Cauldron Cakes. Sold by the batch on the Hogwarts Express trolley, fans imagine these as little sponge cakes filled with dates. Think of a mammal-inspired filling spiced with cinnamon, nutmeg, and anise. Next, the unpredictable Bertie Bott's Every-Flavour beans. 20 flavors range from delicious like cherry, marshmallow, or candy floss to absolutely revolting. Think rotten egg, earwax, or even dirt. Honeydukes is the pinnacle of wizarding confectionery. You've got fizzing Whizzbees, levitating sherbet balls, Drooble's best blowing gum that fills a room with unpoppable bubbles, and tooth-flossing string mints to keep your teeth spick and span. Don't forget chocolate frogs with collectible cards, jelly slugs, puking pastilles, and nosebleed nougat. Truly a magical sugar rush. Beyond sweets, Hogwarts feasts showcase classic British fare. Imagine tables groaning under roast beef, turkey, chicken, pork, and lamb chops. So plentiful that Harry famously devoured mountains of roast potatoes at his first Christmas. Potatoes come every which way. Boiled, roast, mashed, even jacket potatoes. And peas and carrots arrive by the tureen, lovingly buttered to perfection. Meat pies, shepherd's pie, Cornish pasties, Yorkshire pudding, and for dessert, treacle tart, Harry's favorite, rhubarb crumble, Christmas pudding, and trifle. British comfort food at its finest. Breakfast is no less extravagant. Bacon, sausages, fried eggs, porridge, kippers, and toast with jam. And on chillier days, a bowl of hearty stew or piping soup with lashings of gravy or ketchup. Thirsty? Pumpkin juice is the autumnal elixir of choice at Hogwarts. Imagine chilled apple cider blended with pumpkin puree and warming spices. Cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. Tasting like your favorite pumpkin pie in a cup. And then there's butterbeer, the most delicious thing Harry ever tasted. At the theme parks, it's like cream soda infused with butter toffee essence, topped with frothy butterscotch cream. Want the adult version? Add a splash of vanilla vodka or white rum. Food isn't just sustenance in Harry's story. It's magic that touches the heart. After years of neglect with the Dursleys, Harry's first taste of a Hogwarts feast leaves him panting for more. He even pockets leftovers, just in case, and forgets to eat on stressful days, until Ron teaches him you can always come back for seconds. Chocolate becomes a cure for the chills after a Dementor attack, and Molly Weasley's cozy home cooking like rhubarb crumble feels like a warm hug when the world is dark. From spellbinding sweets to hearty feasts, the foods of Harry Potter enchant our taste buds and our hearts. Which treat would you conjure first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this magical feast, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any of our wizarding explorations.